Hello, and I just want to say thank you to all you new subscribers for joining this channel. I really appreciate you being here. And a special thanks to Lou. I hope that this helps you ignite your creative spark. So I've had a bit of a bad run of pores. It's like, what's new? I keep losing my cells. This looked really good yesterday when it was wet, and as you can see, my cells have disappeared and they're very blotchy. I'm using Atelier Cobalt Turquoise Light Hue, and I think yesterday my mix was a bit thick, so I've just added a medium, just the extra bright paint. This is Global Metallic Cyan. It's very pretty. I don't know how it's going to go with the pigment today, but we'll see. And I'm using the Harry and Wilma Purple, Red and Blue Chameleon pigment. I love it. It's so pretty. Nice. That is really nice. I'm going to make sure my edges are covered, my sides. It already looks a lot better than the results I've had recently. Good morning, creative peeps. Guess what? My cells didn't work out. Right, so that's really disappointing. These things can happen. This is now, I think, number 7 that has happened to, even after making adjustments. I know if you check out Nikki D, Shelley Art and Lisa Marvin Art, they do give an explanation on how to, you know, blend or mix your paints. This is the first time that this has happened to me to this extent, so I'll be looking at adjusting my layer blends again for next week's pouring, and I'll see how I go. Better luck next time, I reckon. Take care and have a good day.